Your personal information can remain stored by companies long after you stop using their services. If you no longer want an organization to keep your personal data, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, gives eligible individuals the right to request its deletion in many situations. A well-written GDPR data deletion request letter helps you exercise your rights clearly and professionally, while providing the organization with the information needed to process your request. Whether your data is held by an online retailer, social media platform, financial institution, employer, or another organization, your request should be clear, accurate, and respectful. A professional GDPR data deletion request letter identifies your personal information, explains what you are requesting, and asks the organization to confirm that your request has been handled in accordance with applicable data protection laws. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact information at the top of the letter. This section identifies who is making the request and provides the organization with the information needed to contact you if additional verification is required. Make sure your contact details are current and match the information associated with your account whenever possible. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 6, 2026. The date establishes when your request was submitted and helps document the timeline for your communication. Keeping an accurate record of the submission date may be useful if you need to follow up regarding your request. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Data Protection Officer. Brightwave Digital Services Limited, 185 Kingsway, London WC 2B6 UN. United Kingdom. This directs your request to the organization's Data Protection Officer, Privacy Team, or other department responsible for handling data protection requests. Sending your letter to the correct department helps avoid unnecessary delays. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject GDPR, request for deletion of personal data. The subject immediately informs the recipient of the purpose of your letter. A clear subject line helps the organization identify your request quickly and route it to the appropriate team. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Sir or Madam, a formal greeting creates a professional tone and makes the letter suitable for businesses, government agencies, financial institutions, educational organizations, and other entities that process personal data. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are writing. For example, I am writing to formally request the deletion of my personal data held by Brightwave Digital Services Limited in accordance with my rights under the General Data Protection Regulation, including my right to erasure under Article 17. I respectfully request that my personal information be reviewed and deleted wherever the GDPR requires or permits such action. This opening paragraph clearly explains the legal basis for your request, while identifying the organization that holds your personal information. Mentioning Article 17 immediately informs the organization that your request is being made under the GDPR's right to erasure. Beginning with a clear and respectful explanation helps ensure your request is understood from the outset. Before submitting your request, make sure the organization is subject to the GDPR and that your request includes accurate identifying information. Data deletion request paragraph. Next, explain exactly what data you want deleted. For example, please delete all personal data relating to me that your organization processes or stores, except where you are legally required or otherwise permitted under applicable law to retain certain information. This request applies to the personal data associated with the following details. Full name, Ethan Collins. Email address, ethan.collins@email.com. Customer ID, BW-45892-176. Registered phone number, +4477 00900123. This paragraph clearly defines the scope of your request and provides enough identifying information for the organization to locate your records. Include only the information necessary to identify your account accurately. Providing complete details helps reduce delays caused by incomplete identification. Double-check your account details before sending the letter to ensure the organization can easily locate your information. Third-party notification paragraph. Now request that any third parties be notified if applicable. For example, if my personal data has been shared with third parties or service providers acting on your behalf, I kindly request that you take reasonable steps to inform those parties of my request for erasure where required under the GDPR. I would appreciate confirmation that any applicable notifications have been made in accordance with your legal obligations. This paragraph addresses situations where your personal information has been shared with other organizations. Under certain circumstances, the GDPR requires organizations to take reasonable steps to inform recipients of a valid erasure request. Including this request helps ensure your personal information is addressed as broadly as required by law. If you know your data has been shared with affiliated companies or service providers, mentioning this request can help make the deletion process more comprehensive. Confirmation paragraph. Next, ask for written confirmation of the outcome. For example, please provide written confirmation once my personal data has been deleted. If any information cannot be erased because of a legal obligation or another lawful basis for retention, I respectfully request an explanation identifying the specific data being retained, the reason for its continued retention, and the legal grounds that apply. This paragraph requests transparency regarding how your request has been handled. If the organization cannot delete certain records, asking for the legal basis allows you to better understand why some information must be retained. Requesting written confirmation creates a useful record that your request has been completed or partially completed. Identity verification paragraph. Now explain your willingness to verify your identity. For example, if you require additional information to verify my identity before processing this request, please let me know as soon as possible. I will be happy to provide reasonable documentation necessary to confirm my identity while protecting the security of my personal information. This paragraph demonstrates your willingness to cooperate while recognizing that organizations often need to verify identity before deleting personal data. Identity verification helps prevent unauthorized requests from being processed. Responding promptly to verification requests can help speed up the processing of your deletion request. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. I appreciate your cooperation and look forward to receiving confirmation that my request has been processed in accordance with the General Data Protection Regulation. I appreciate your assistance in protecting my personal data rights. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while reinforcing your expectation of a timely response. Ending professionally encourages constructive communication throughout the process. A courteous conclusion often helps maintain positive communication, even when exercising your legal rights. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Ethan Collins. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signing your name confirms that you are making the request and identifies the individual whose personal data is the subject of the deletion request. Before submitting your GDPR data deletion request letter, carefully review every detail to ensure your name, contact information, account details, and identifying information are accurate. Keep a copy of the letter and any correspondence you receive for your records. A strong GDPR data deletion request letter is clear, specific, and professionally written, making it easier for the organization to process your request while helping you exercise your data protection rights under applicable law. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.